In the 12th century, Bern faced turmoil and conflict as it sought independence from feudal lords. The climax came when the city stood united, winning a decisive battle in 1191. The victory marked the birth of Bern as a free and sovereign city-state, and its history of resilience and unity continues to inspire its vibrant spirit today. Here are the best things to do in Bern, Switzerland. Number 12. Bern Old Town. Stroll through the Bern Old Town and you'll be captivated by the irresistible charm of Switzerland's capital. This UNESCO World Heritage site offers a delightful blend of history, architecture, and natural beauty that will leave you mesmerized. As you wander through the narrow cobblestone streets, you'll be transported back in time by medieval buildings and timeless arcades. Absorb the city's culture by visiting the Einstein Museum, where you can learn about the genius's life and work. Also, marvel at the clock tower and Bern's Cathedral stained glass window, impressive reminders of the city's grandeur and artistic prowess. And when hunger strikes, head to the local cafes and bakeries to savor mouth-watering pastries. Mouth-watering pastries like the famous Berner Mandelberli, or try the creamy Swiss chocolate. Number 11. Einstein Museum and the Historical Museum of Bern. Visit the Einstein Museum to draw inspiration from the intriguing life and work of physicist Albert Einstein. Delve into roughly 10,000 feet of exhibition space that offers exclusive insights into this renowned scientist's time in Switzerland's capital. Discover the genius behind the theories that shaped modern physics, sparking your own curiosity and passion for science. Meanwhile, the Historical Museum of Bern beckons you with its diverse offerings. Unearth archaeological artifacts that provide a glimpse into ancient civilizations and explore ethnographic collections from diverse cultures worldwide. It's a journey through time that spans from prehistoric eras to the contemporary world, allowing you to understand and appreciate the fascinating history of Switzerland. Number 10. Einstein's House. There's no better place to be than Einstein's house if you want to know more about this iconic figure and his groundbreaking work. Stepping into this historical residence, which served as Albert Einstein's abode from 1903 to 1905, will ignite your curiosity. This place is a living museum that offers an intimate glimpse into the life of the great scientist during the period when he developed his revolutionary theory of relativity. As you wander through the exhibits, you'll be entranced by the artifacts and displays that narrate Einstein's intellectual journey and personal life. In addition, the house offers interactive workshops and lectures, providing visitors with a deeper understanding of Einstein's theories and their impact on modern science. Number 9. Bern Bear Pit. Have a fun-filled experience at Bern Bear Pit, a place of wonder and transformation. Once known for its bear pit, this location has now evolved into Bear Park, a haven for majestic brown bears. Spread across 64,000 square feet in the heart of Bern Animal Park, Bear Park offers a humane environment where visitors can witness these amazing creatures up close. Marvel at their grace and power as they roam freely, demonstrating their natural behaviors. Bear Park also educates visitors about the importance of conservation efforts. Learn about the initiatives in place to protect these endangered animals and their habitats, and discover how you can contribute to their preservation. Number 8. Bern Rosengarten Park. If you're up for an enchanting experience, the Bern Rosengarten Park is the right place for you. This ancient architectural garden holds an irresistible appeal that draws both locals and tourists. As you step into the park, you'll instantly feel a sense of tranquility and relaxation wash over you. Perched high above the historic Old Town, the park also rewards visitors with gripping panoramic views that will leave you spellbound. The iconic landmarks of Bern are framed by a sea of vibrant roses, creating a great sight that's simply unforgettable. Strolling through the garden, you'll be surrounded by a myriad of rose species, creating a colorful and fragrant atmosphere that captivates your senses. Number 7. AARE River Boat Tour. To fully enjoy the beauty of Bern, go on a scenic AARE River Boat Tour. This river cruise offers a unique and enjoyable way to explore the city and its surroundings while taking in awesome views. The AARE River's crystal clear waters make it perfect for swimming during summer months, offering a refreshing and revitalizing experience. For more adventurous spirits, you can rent an inflatable dinghy and paddle along the gentle currents, immersing yourself in the beauty of this UNESCO World Heritage site. This tour also creates a tranquil escape, allowing you to unwind as you float through picturesque landscapes and iconic landmarks. From the boat's vantage point, you can appreciate the city's magnificent architecture and lush greenery that lines the riverbanks. By the way, check the links in the description for recommended tour operators that will enhance your Bern experience and save you valuable time and effort. Number 6. Bern's Ancient Fountains. Discover any of Bern's ancient fountains scattered throughout the city and you will be engrossed by the charm of the city fountains. Renowned for its over 100 public fountains, each a true work of art, Bern boasts an unparalleled appeal for locals and visitors alike. These historic treasures dating back to the Middle Ages also bear testimony to the exquisite craftsmanship of bygone eras, adorned with vivid figures and intricate designs. As you wander through the winding streets of Bern, the sound of flowing water from these adorable fountains creates a soothing ambience, providing a moment of respite from bustling city life. Aside from their artistic beauty, these fountains also served as vital water sources for the city's residents and were symbols of prosperity and civic pride. Number 5. Zytglogge Clock Tower. Make your way to the Zytglogge Clock Tower, a historic marvel built in the early 13th century. This iconic tower has played various roles throughout its existence, and today it offers a thrilling tour for visitors to explore its intricate gears and apparatus and learn about its rich history. The real highlight of the clock tower is its appealing figurines that come alive and perform different actions at specific times, adding an element of whimsy to the experience. As you stand before this symbol of Swiss heritage, you'll gain a profound appreciation for the craftsmanship and engineering that went into creating such a masterpiece. Number 4. Bern Cathedral. Looking for a top attraction that seamlessly blends history, culture, and irresistible beauty? Look no further than Bern Cathedral. This impressive Swiss Reformed church is a true gem of late Gothic architecture, showcasing striking details that speak to the city's rich history and cultural diversity. Built in the 15th century, the Bern Cathedral stands as Switzerland's largest late medieval church, drawing visitors with its majestic presence and intricate design. While you're there, climb its towering bell tower, which offers sweeping views of the Bernese Oberland. Inside the cathedral's walls, soak up the serene ambience and take a moment for reflection and admiration of the remarkable craftsmanship. Number 3. Hammam and Spa OKTOGEN. Experience the traditional, refreshing, and ancient bathing rituals at the Hammam and Spa OKTOGEN. This Turkish-style spa offers a truly enthralling experience inspired by the tales of Arabian Nights. You'll feel like you're in an oriental paradise as you explore the 4 floors dedicated to pure relaxation and indulgence. Picture yourself enveloped in soothing steam rooms, cleansing areas, and luxurious relaxation spaces. They've got it all covered. What's even better is that they've seamlessly blended centuries-old traditions with modern amenities for your ultimate comfort. Whether you're a weary traveler or a local looking for a rejuvenating escape, this place has something special to offer. From invigorating treatments to pure pampering, you'll leave feeling like a whole new you. Number 2. GURTEN Trails. Explore the scenic trails on the GURTEN, Bern's local mountain, for an invigorating adventure. Embrace the charm of this idyllic mountain oasis and indulge in an array of outdoor activities suitable for all. Take leisurely walks, find serene picnic spots, or embark on exhilarating mountain biking trails. This family-friendly destination welcomes everyone to enjoy themselves in nature's splendor and revel in attractive vistas of Bern and its picturesque surroundings. As the seasons change, GURTEN also offers a magical winter experience too, which allows you to toboggan down its slopes. Number 1. Bern Parliament Building. The Bern Parliament Building stands as a symbol of Switzerland's democracy and is a fantastic destination offering a wealth of enriching activities. As the seat of the Swiss government, it plays a crucial role in the nation's political affairs. Enter the majestic building and partake in informative guided tours that provide an in-depth understanding of Swiss democracy. Learn about the country's political history, the functioning of the parliamentary system, and the decision-making processes that shape the nation's future. A highlight of the tour is a chance to ascend to the Dome, the very space where parliamentary sessions take place. Standing in this historic chamber, one can't help but feel the weight of the nation's past and present converging. Click here for more things to do in Switzerland.